Rakuten Viki, how to download and create new account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you download the application on your device. Since it is available in the Play Store, you can download it easily. So as I've already installed it, I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the user interface and the home page of the application on my device. So you can here sign up for free or you can log in if you already have an account. Since it's a new account, we're going to sign up over here and you can continue with Google, Facebook, or continue with Rakuten, or you can continue with email as well. I'm going to continue with Facebook. After that, it will just start to verify my profile as well so that we can create an account on the application. So we just have to wait for a little while until it gets verified. Now we just need to complete our account by providing our email ID that we want to associate it with the application. So after connecting and verifying your email address, you'll be led to the homepage and you'll be able to create the new account on Rakuten Viki application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.